In categorical proposition, there are four topics we are going to discuss. Number one is categorical syllogism, the terms and the concept of that terms, and the Venn diagram. First thing first, what exactly is categorical syllogism? Well, it's a logical argument that uses a categorical statement to draw a conclusion. Categorical statements are simply statements that relates to two categories or classes together. In other words, categorical syllogism is a statement which includes two premises and a conclusion, either it is true or not. Let's move on to the second topic, which is terms. In order to be a syllogism, there must be three distinct terms within the premises and the conclusion. So number one is minor term, number two is major term, and the number three is middle term. Let's discuss these terms. So first of all, let's discuss the major term. So the major term is the predicate term in the conclusion of the syllogism. It refers to the broader category or class to which the conclusion statement is made. If we discuss the second term, which is minor term, the minor term is the subject term in the conclusion of the syllogism. It refers to the narrow category or individual to which the conclusion statement is applied. Now let's discuss the middle term. The middle term is the term that appears in both premises but does not appear in the conclusion. It acts as the connecting link between the major and the minor term. So just focus on this slide so you can understand it more. The major term is highlighted with yellow color. It's mean the predicate term of the conclusion. And the minor term highlighted with green, the subject term of the conclusion, and the middle term highlighted with the red. It's the term repeated in premises but not in the conclusion. Let's see the example. P1, all mammals are animals with heart. So mammals here is a middle term and animals with heart is the major term. If you see P2, all dogs are mammals. The dogs are the minor term and mammals is the middle term. As you see, mammal in both statements, it's a middle term. If we see the conclusion, all dogs are animal with the heart. So dogs is the minor term and the animal with heart is the major term. So as you see, there is no middle term and the conclusion made of major and minor term. So here we see the conclusion is made of the major and minor term, which is the predicate and the subject. Okay, so the predicate is the animal with heart and the subject is the dogs. And there is no middle term in the conclusion because the term repeated in premises but not in the conclusion is the middle term. So let's see the Venn diagram and the concept of it. So you see the S and P. S is the subject and P is the predicate. So for further, there will be two possibilities to make one conclusion. As we see, all dogs are animal with heart. It's a conclusion made by S and P. Now let's add the middle term also in the subject and predicate. So as we can see, all M are P and all S are M. And in conclusion, all S are P in the end. So this is the most simplest way I can make you guys understand this Venn diagram. And still, if you guys don't understand this Venn diagram, let me know. I will teach you the live how this Venn diagram is working here. So thank you so much everyone. I hope you guys like this presentation. And in the last, let me thanks to my group who helped me out in making this presentation. Thank you.